Tony here from Tecarvr. You might think artificial intelligence is only found in futuristic robots or high-end tech labs. But the truth is, AI is already part of your everyday life, and you probably use it without even realizing it. In this video, we're going to explore some of the most surprising ways AI is already around you, powering the tools and services you rely on daily. Let's start with the device you probably use the most, your smartphone. When you unlock your phone using facial recognition, that's AI. When you start typing and your keyboard predicts the next word, that's AI too. Autocorrect, voice typing, even spam filters. All of these are AI-driven features designed to make your experience smoother. And what about social media? When Instagram shows you content it thinks you'll like, or when YouTube suggests your next video, those recommendations are driven by AI. These platforms use machine learning to analyze your viewing habits, likes, shares, and even your scrolling speed, just to serve you more of what you're most likely to engage with. AI doesn't stop there. Ever shop online and see a recommended for you section? That's AI analyzing your browsing history, comparing it to millions of others, and predicting what products you're most likely to buy. Retailers use this data to personalize your shopping experience and increase the chances that you'll hit that checkout button. Now let's talk about your virtual assistants. Whether it's Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant, these tools use natural language processing, a form of AI, to understand your voice commands. When you ask for the weather, set a timer, or play a song, AI is working behind the scenes to interpret your intent and respond in real time. Navigation apps like Google Maps and Waze also rely on AI. They analyze real-time traffic data, road conditions, and historical travel patterns to give you the fastest route. If you've ever been rerouted during a drive to avoid traffic, thank artificial intelligence. AI even powers your fitness and health devices. Smartwatches that track your heart rate, sleep patterns, and step count use AI to analyze your activity. They can even suggest health tips or alert you to irregularities, all based on patterns detected over time. Think AI isn't part of your finances? Think again. Your banking app might use AI to detect fraudulent transactions or categorize your spending. When you get a notification that looks like, "Did you just spend $250 at a new store?" That's AI doing real-time risk analysis. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify also use AI extensively. Every time you get a personalized playlist or a movie suggestion, it's AI analyzing your preferences and behavior to tailor content just for you. And what about education? If you've ever used Grammarly to check your grammar or Duolingo to learn a language, you've benefited from AI. Grammarly uses machine learning to suggest tone improvements, and Duolingo adapts your lessons based on how well you're learning. These platforms offer smarter, more personalized learning experiences thanks to artificial intelligence. AI is also transforming content creation. Writers, marketers, and video editors now use tools like ChatGPT or AI video generators to create faster and more efficiently. Even this script was drafted with help from AI, showing how AI can assist with planning, writing, and even delivery. One of the most advanced areas of AI is called generative AI. This is the type of AI that creates new content. Whether it's writing, images, music, or even code, tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and ChatGPT are examples of generative AI that learn from massive datasets to produce original material in seconds. This technology is already being used by companies to automate customer service, generate product descriptions, and even design logos. What once took hours of manual effort can now be completed in minutes with the right AI tool. If you're using a smart home device, like a thermostat that learns your habits or lights that adjust automatically, you're experiencing AI at work. These tools adapt over time, learning your routines and adjusting settings for energy savings, comfort, or convenience. But why does this matter? Because while AI is already all around you, not everyone understands it, and that's where the opportunity lies. By learning how AI works and how to use it intentionally, you can gain a huge edge in both your personal and professional life. You don't need to be a coder or a tech expert to get started. There are beginner-friendly tools that let you experiment with AI in ways that matter to your goals. Want to save time? Use AI to summarize emails or automate daily tasks. Want to be more creative? Try AI for writing, design, or idea generation. Understanding AI also helps you make better decisions. You'll know why certain ads follow you online, or how your newsfeed is curated. Instead of being passively shaped by algorithms, you'll start to see how those algorithms work, and how to use them to your advantage. Here's the takeaway. AI isn't coming. It's already here. It's in your phone, your car, your apps, your emails, your bank account, your fitness routine, and your entertainment. You're already using AI. Now it's time to learn how to use it with purpose. So take the first step today. Explore one AI tool. Read a tutorial. Watch a demo. The sooner you start, the sooner you gain control over the technology that's shaping your world. If you learned something new today, leave a comment and let me know which AI example surprised you the most. And don't forget to subscribe to Tecarvr for more videos on how to work smarter with AI, automation, and the future of tech. See you in the next one.